Hi, I'm Karen.
And I'm Rob, and we're at our new listing on Sawyers Lake. This is truly a special property with 600 feet of frontage, 1.5 acres of total privacy. The waterfront has a combination of deep water and a sand beach. Why don't you tell us about the lake house, Karen?
So the home was recently renovated top to bottom with an addition added. Now with over 4,000 square feet of living space, this place truly shines. The design is a combination of Scandinavian and contemporary. And what I truly appreciate about this property is the attention to detail and the high-end finishes.
Sounds spectacular. Tell us about the main level.
One word is spectacular. Open concept, gourmet chef's kitchen with custom cabinetry, walk-in pantry, and high-end appliances, overlooking a 14-foot cathedral ceiling great room, fireplace, and wall-to-wall windows.
What I especially also love is the screened-in room, perfect for those summer nights.
And in the back of the property, a media room where you can snuggle up and watch one of your favorite movies in surround sound.
This place sounds incredible. Let's go have a look.